We are dreaming in the dark.
I spend on the beat too. Di qua per io. Why I feel back te tranquil.
Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video was actually, it was requested that I do a makeup tutorial. Now I am terrible at makeup. I feel like when God was creating me, I was just meant to be an alien with big forehead, because I'm so terrible. I cannot do makeup. But don't let that fool you. If I'm going to a special occasion, I will watch YouTube videos till I can, you know, fix myself up. So yes, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Now if I look like an alien or if I look like a something, please do not judge me, because I already told y'all I am bad at makeup. I am super bad at it. So here we go. And before I get into this video, I just want to thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for all of you who subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. And I'm gonna stop talking now and just go right in the video, you know. Guys, if you see this black thing on my chest, it's from dyeing my hair. I didn't do all. I did some. So I have it on my arms too, so don't think it's anything nasty. Okay, now I don't really have all the makeup stuff because I don't really wear makeup like that. So I have just a few stuff. Like I don't have the thing that you put on your face before you put the rest of the stuff on it. But yeah, so I'm just going to start with the pencil. You know, for those of us who don't have eyebrows, this really comes in handy. All right, so when you draw on your eyebrows, you have to make it look like an upside down Nike sign, right? I think that's how it's supposed to look, upside down Nike sign, just without the tick. So you want to go ahead. My lip is so dry. As I was saying, you want to go ahead and, you know, use this pencil. So you do a line like this. Wow. Jesus Christ. okay, let's go again. So you do a line. So you actually drawing your eyebrows, but yeah, you just drawing your eyebrows, but just do it like a Nike sign. All right, so you continue drawing, and after you finish draw, you just fill it in, because you want the Nike sign to look full, right? So you continue draw the same. I look so bad. So this one you have to do the same thing. You do a stroke underneath. I need to play some music. So yeah. Alright, so after you finish draw up and down, now you are going to take a brush to blend it in. Alright, so Oh, so you take a brush. Well, I'm gonna use. I'm going to use the brow pencil. Here it is. And also I'm gonna be using the small eyeshadow. Oh, that's for eyeshadow. Okay. So you're gonna use it to, you know, do what it's supposed to do. Clean. I think that's how you do it. Like I said, guys, I am not a professional. I'm just doing this for fun, so don't judge me if I look bad. Okay? Don't judge me. I'm just trying. I'm not a professional. So okay, yes guys, so you're gonna keep on doing this. Oh boy.
N'entendez pas, y'a quand son mort. À qui paraît, je te cours après. Mais ça va pas mettre ta mère. Mais comment ça, le monde est différent. Tu croyais quoi, on se verra plus jamais. Je pourrais t'afficher, mais c'est pas mon délire. D'après les rumeurs, tu m'as eu dans ton lit. Oh, tcha tcha. Y'a pas moyen, tcha tcha. Je suis pas ta cata, tcha tcha. Genre, en katana, baby, tu donnes ça. Oh, tcha tcha. Y'a pas moyen, tcha tcha. J'suis pas ta cata, tcha tcha. Genre, en katana, baby, tu donnes ça. Tu penses à moi sans faire de l'argent. J'suis pas ta daronne, te fais pas la.
Okay, so when you're doing your eyebrows, guys, you really have to be very, very focused because you don't want your eyebrows to look like you was like, you know, you have to take your time to get it properly, you know, blend it and make sure you clean it like how it's supposed to be, okay? You have to look like a happy potato, not a sad one. Oh, sorry guys, I'm supposed to be showing you what I'm doing. So yes, you want to Little in my end in back here.
Little for feeling, them have texting family, every little problem, them need it not fair. Let them tell us from coming. Them a shampoo your shelly coming. They never tell me say that one more black and don't be there. Put it with my toujours là, on est pourtant there. What the business man girl, c'est ça qui se fait. Oui, ma toujours là, c'est ça qui se fait. C'est moi ta vocation, c'est ça qui se fait. Qui te pouvait vous dire que chérie, qui t'en disait.
Se não fosse sortir, não faz no cachete.
A ponte baixada, não faz no cachete.
Eu de mago já não li pública.
Bang, bang, essa se vai lá,
My mama's a connect. I can't sing y'all, but you know, my mama's a connect.
Se não quer ver se você quer no mano, o mama's a connect. Se não for pra tirar bem no mano,
My mama's a connect.
protéger, chérie, m'a protéger. Si la condition qui va m'imaginer la vie, moi qui t'aime, nous pas faire photo, ni nous pas filer, la peine solo, nous pas faire sauter pour pas prendre un polo. On est marre ou jaloux, pas mais c'est bon temps pour Togo. Hey, ne faut pas blaguer sur Instagram, ni pas faire comment tu m'évites de drame. Pas de mauvaises émotions, on évite pas d'être dans le téléphone, si on vit dans des bois.
You see what I mean?
Ultima o jaloux, les fous, les cas bang bang, et ça c'est la gâchette. Vous avez répondu, si vous voulez la suite qui c'est entre nous, vous avez répondu, si nous qui vite ce que nous entre nous, vous avez répondu.
Okay guys, obviously I can't get my eyebrows to be even, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay? But please do not go out with your eyebrows looking uneven. But if you do go out with your eyebrows looking uneven, you know, you have to make it look good. You have to walk in style, so people don't know that, so people don't act like, you know, like this girl. You have to walk in style, look in style, you know, because you already know you messed up by going out with your eyebrows looking uneven. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go right ahead. Well, I have to finish blending this. I'm gonna go right ahead and continue. Alright, so guys, I went ahead and applied the foundation on my face off camera. So what you want to do is get the right shade for your face. You don't want your face to look brown and the rest of your body look a different color, because you would look really bad. Remember, we have to look like a happy potato. So in order for you to look like a happy potato, your face has to blend with the rest of your skin. So this is the one that I'm using. I don't know what it's called. It's called Fit, I think. This is the top. Yeah. So I went ahead and, y'all don't judge me, but this brush broke. I have another one, but it's so pretty, I don't want to get it dirty. So I'm gonna use this. You know, I think you tap. You don't want to tap hard. You tap light, like 1, 2, I think. Wait, nous va faire l'oreille en I need some more. I'm gonna just use this brush and dip it in it. Jesus, that's a lot. Tap, I think that's how you do it. That is so much. Okay, I have to use a sponge. Alright guys, so you're gonna use a sponge, a makeup sponge, and just I think you tap.
Oh my god.
Transformation impulsive.
Oh my god.
Now what I like to do is that I don't know if you're supposed to like keep the concealer underneath your eyelash, your eyebrows. To me it doesn't, I don't know guys, I'm just not a makeup artist, so I don't know. What I say doesn't make know, I have to redeem myself because, you know, I'm supposed to be a happy potato. Oh my god.
Yo, c'est pas n'importe qui femme, les deux sont femmes frères. C'est pas femme, c'est caractère, les deux sont femmes frères. Ils donnent des sentiments, les deux sont femmes frères. C'est nous, mais vite en bagarre, mais pourquoi sont femmes chères. Les femmes qui nous motivent, même si sont des qui a ses gradis. Elles veulent la vie, elles baillent l'eau qui se mal comme ma c'est gradis. Les moins sentim baguette à ses radis. Les femmes venaient pas boucher, pas chat. Donc après les pas de chat. Ils font l'homme sous coup. Ça me fait valider que des sexes alliés. Comme ça quand je le campé, mais nous t'as dit c'est allumé. Quand je touche, puis fait mêler. Quand je le caresse, puis fait mêler.
Oh my god.
Même là, il fait lever les deux de faux. Sauf un total, comme la caille, là où elle a celle de
Oh my god, the lock my shit.
C'est exagéré à faire oh my god.
Listen, if you don't listen to Haitian music, if you don't listen to compa, or compa is dance, I think. If you don't listen to this music, that you're missing something in your life because these songs have this type of little, you know, type of little, I don't know what you call it, but it's like a remedy, man. It's a remedy for your stress. Boy. Meguya. You hear it? You hear it? You hear it? It does something to you. You see why Haitians always having so much children? This is why Haitians have a lot of kids, because of these songs. Now I'm gonna play a song after this that really makes you want to have children when you're listening to it, but I don't want to have kids though. Well, not right now, because that's not where my head is right now.
Oh my god, you feel my crazy tellement
What I need for deodorant? That's not bad. Look at her butt. Okay, so what am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna put my mascara on first. Mascara. I don't really like the lashes. I don't mind lashes, but I just don't like those things that look like wings, because I like to blink, and when I blink I want to blink freely. But if I'm supposed to wear eyelashes, I really like the short one, the short single ones, because it feels better. Because alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one first. I love the smell of this one, so it's Total Temptation. Alright, remember when I told you guys Haitians are always having kids? This is the song that they listen to that makes them want to have kids. Listen to it. So the name of the song is Harmonique. No, the person who sang the song was Harmonique, and the name of the song is Incroyable. Alright, so you want to go ahead and put... Wait, no, nothing. This is the part that makes you want to have babies. Listen to it. Alright, so you know you do that bottom top, bottom top. Alright, what else do you do? I don't have the thing, the powder thingy, the powder thingy. So I'm not gonna even use that. I don't even know where my spray bottle is. So. I'm gonna use. I don't know how you call this. That's the colorful thing that you put on top of your eyes, on your eyelid. Alright, this is how it looks. Alright, so I'm not gonna put on the top of my eyes. So what I also like to do is wear eyeliner. I don't know how to do the cat eyes. I'm literally worthless when it comes to makeup. My lips dry, so I really need lip gloss. So I normally use this little thing that came with my thingy, but I don't see it. So I'm just gonna use this little brush right here. I hope it works. Alright, so guys, you want to put it, let me show you. You have to put it like right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't put too much because I like to rub my eyes a lot. Now, like I said, guys, I'm not the best at makeup. I'm worthless when it comes to makeup, so I'm just doing this for fun and because it was requested. Now, I don't have a lot of stuff that you're supposed to use, but you know, I just hope you enjoy the video though. It was actually fun doing this. I can't see in this thing. I'm so blind. I need glasses. This is not working, yeah? Oh. It's so tender. Oh, for real, I have this thing and I'm using my good makeup. I have to wash this off because I like the brush. It looks so pretty. Alright, so this is actually for eyeliner. I don't want to use this. Alright, so I think it. So this is the one that I normally use. It's easier. This is song, man. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna, you know, because I see this white thing on top of my forehead, I'm just going to blend. Oh no, it's not that one. It's the large powder brush. I'm not gonna put any powder on my face just because, you know. But this is the finishing product, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist or I'm not a professional at makeup. So if I do any mistakes, I'm willing to take the corrections that is needed. But I was just doing this because it's fun. And, you know, I guess oh, I forgot to put on lipstick. Anyways, I'll just put on lip gloss because that's how I normally do it. Unless if I'm going to a special occasion, I would put lipstick. But if I'm just going to like if I'm going to dinner or something, I don't know. I just wear lipstick when I feel like I should. But I normally just put on lip gloss, and I usually use a pencil just to mark around the edge of my lip because I think it's very, very pretty and sexy. So I should have, oh, I'm so backwards. So alright, so this is how I look. This is the finishing touch. Yeah, I tried my best. Like I said, I'm not good at makeup, you know. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you subscribe, you like it, and you share. And like I said, I'm willing to take any correction that is needed. I was only doing this for fun, but this is how I look. Bye. And then boom, happy potato.